How to level up players fast in eFootball Mobile. In order to level up your players very quickly on eFootball Mobile, you have to use EXP tokens. Now in order to do so, once you launch eFootball, go to your team and go to your player list and simply select a certain player that you might want to train. So I'll just go ahead and then select a random player over here, let's suppose. Once I've selected a player, the first option you can see there is called level training. So that is the option where we want to go, right? This is the option that says level training. Just make sure to go there. Now over here, you can see all of these remaining tokens. So the higher the EXP, the higher the value it is going to achieve. You can just select this as auto select. I will just leave it at auto select. Once I've selected auto select, I will select proceed and I'll again select proceed. So we have leveled up that particular player. Now what is left to do is we have to just do and confirm the player progression. So go ahead and then locate that player from the list of your players again. So now you've selected that player, select the option called player progression this time because we've already done level training. Now we will go to player progression. Now you can set this to whatever that you might want to enable yourself to do it, but you can select action and select recommended to do auto selection, and after that you will be able to notice that the auto selection will be successfully complete and the player progression will be successfully applied. And that way you can do level training in eFootball Mobile. Hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.